Have you ever caught yourself wondering why things down there just don't feel as rock solid as they once did, especially as the years add up? It's easy to blame it on getting older, but the real secret often lies in something most guys overlook. The muscles at the base of your pelvis that act like a built-in support system for keeping blood where it counts during those intimate moments. Today, we're diving into 5 simple yet powerful moves you can do right at home to wake up those muscles, boost your confidence, and help everything stay firmer longer without any fancy gear or trips to the gym. Let's start with the basics because understanding this can change everything for you. Your pelvic floor is like the foundation of a house. If it's weak, the whole structure wobbles. These muscles wrap around the base of your penis and help trap blood inside to maintain that hardness. As we age, sitting too much or just not using them enough lets them slack off, leading to softer erections, quicker finishes, or even pesky bladder issues. But the good news? You can strengthen them just like you build up your biceps, with targeted exercises, often called Kegels, though they're not just for women. I've heard from countless men over 50 who turned things around dramatically by making these a habit, feeling more in control and energized in ways they hadn't in years. Imagine being able to hold steady during passion without worry. That's the payoff. So, let's jump into the first move, the pelvic tilt, done lying on your back. This one's perfect for beginners because it's gentle and helps you tune into those hidden muscles right away. Get comfy on the floor, bend your knees to about a 45-degree angle, feet flat and about hip-width apart. Arms relaxed by your sides, palms down. Breathe easy, then focus on your lower belly. Pull your navel in toward your spine while pressing your lower back flat against the ground. At the same time, tip your pelvis up slightly, feeling that squeeze in your core and pelvic area. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, breathe normally, then ease back down. It's subtle, but oh, it's effective. Think of it like syncing up a team, your abs and pelvic floor working together to create that lock-in effect for blood flow. One guy I know compared it to tightening a valve to keep pressure steady. Sudden firmness he hadn't felt since his 30s. And it's not just about erections. This can ease lower back aches from daily life, like after a long drive or desk work. Have you ever felt that nagging tension down there? This move melts it away. Practice 10 to 15 times, really focusing on smooth control. As weeks go by, bump it up to 20 reps, and you'll notice how much easier it is to engage those muscles on demand. It's like rediscovering a switch you forgot you had. Plus, better bladder control means fewer midnight trips to the bathroom, giving you uninterrupted sleep and more energy overall. Let's expand on why this co-activation matters. When your pelvic floor and abs fire together, it's called co-contraction, and it's key for stability during movement, whether walking, lifting, or getting intimate. Picture a rubber band. Too loose and it doesn't hold. Too tight, it snaps. This exercise finds that sweet balance. In real life, one patient shared how after a month, he could last longer without effort, making date nights way more enjoyable for him and his partner. What about you? Have you tried something like this before? Drop a comment below. And don't rush. Quality beats speed every time. If you're consistent, that awareness builds, turning automatic responses into conscious control. It's empowering, right? Now, before we move on, let's quickly recap what we've covered so far. We kicked off with why pelvic floor strength is your secret weapon for firmer erections after 50, and we detailed the pelvic tilt, that foundational move to connect your abs and pelvis for better lock-in and control. Feeling that squeeze yet? Great. Let's build on it with the second exercise. This one's a prone stretch, and it's fantastic for loosening up while building endurance. Flip over onto your stomach, legs straight out, elbows under shoulders like you're about to prop up on your forearms. Lift your chest a bit. Keep your neck straight, gaze down. Now, draw your belly in, creating space between your stomach and the floor, and lightly lift those pelvic muscles, like pausing a stream mid-flow. Hold that for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deep. It's a mix of stretch and strength, targeting tight hip flexors from all that sitting we do. Those flexors, when knotted, block good blood flow to pelvis, making firmness tricky. But this pose opens them up like uncoiling a hose for better water pressure. I recall a story from a 60-year-old who sat at a desk job forever. After adding this, his posture improved, back pain dipped, and erections felt more responsive. It's like upgrading your body's wiring for faster signals. During intimacy, that means quicker arousal and sustained hardness. And the breathing? It oxygenates everything, boosting muscle function. Repeat 3 to 4 times, resting 10 to 15 seconds between. Over time, extend to 45 seconds or a minute. Your body will adapt, feeling looser yet stronger. This isn't just physical. It boosts mental confidence, knowing you can rely on your body. Ever notice how tension builds up unnoticed? This releases it. Try it daily, maybe after work to unwind. Men often say it helps with overall vitality, not just in the bedroom. What do you think? Does sitting all day affect you this way? Share in the comments. It's amazing how something so simple can ripple into bigger changes. As you practice, vary the lift slightly to hit different angles. Soon, you'll feel that pelvic connection sharpen, like fine-tuning an instrument. And remember, no straining. Listen to your body. All right, time for a quick recap to keep things fresh. We've explored the pelvic tilt for basic activation and the prone stretch for that stretch strength combo, both key to improving blood flow and control for harder erections. You're building a solid base here. Keep going. Now, on to the third, the kneeling of draw-in on all fours. This one's great for linking breath with muscle work. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, back flat, no arch or sag. Exhale slowly. Pull your belly in and contract the pelvic floor, like lifting inward gently. Hold 3 to 5 seconds. Release on inhale. It's about coordination, training deep core muscles that wrap like a bell for stability. These support pelvic circulation, vital for erection quality. Without them, things feel disconnected. With them, it's seamless. Think of it as rehearsing for real-life scenarios, building endurance to delay peaks. A buddy in his 50s said it gave him newfound control, turning quick sessions into marathons. Plus, it eases urgency issues, like not rushing to the restroom. Start with 10 to 15 reps, slow and focused. Later, hold longer, up to 10 seconds, and shift weight for variety. This breath link? It's game-changing, calming nerves too. Have you felt out of sync down there? This syncs it up. Practice in privacy, but make it routine. You'll sense muscles firing precisely, enhancing sensitivity. It's not flashy, but the results are. About halfway through now, and I hope you're finding this valuable for reclaiming that vitality. If you're enjoying these tips and want more on boosting health and energy at any age for yourself or loved ones, hit that subscribe button. Join our community of folks committed to feeling their best. It's welcoming for everyone. We'd love to have you. Moving forward, let's recap quickly. So far, pelvic tilt for connection, prone stretch for flexibility, kneeling draw-in for breath coordination, all ramping up pelvic power for firmer, longer-lasting erections. Solid progress. The fourth exercise, bridge abduction, back on your back. Knees bent, feet flat, hip width. Lift hips into a bridge. Straight line from shoulders to knees. Then push knees out gently, like spreading apart. Hold 2-3 seconds, back in. This hits glutes, hips, and pelvic floor together. Glutes pump blood like helpers, while abductors balance everything. Weak here? Flow suffers. Strong? It's enhanced, like adding boosters to your engine for better performance. One man shared how it reduced fatigue during activity, allowing more enjoyment. It simulates movement under load, prepping for intimacy. Start 8 to 10 reps, core tight. Later, 15 to 20, or add a band for resistance. Mobility improves, back strain drops. Ever feel unstable? This stabilizes. Great for overall confidence. Try it. Notice the burn, that's progress. And it ties into daily life, like better walking or sports. What challenges do you face with mobility? Como bilo? Consistency here pays off big. Now, a brief recap to reinforce. We've covered 4 moves. Tilt for basics, prone for stretch, draw-in for breath, bridge for multi-muscle power, all targeting that pelvic strength for harder erections post-50. One more to go, the game changer. The 5th, rocking frog stretch, often skipped but essential. On hands and knees, widen knees into AV, feet out, lower the forearms. Rock hips forward back slowly like a wave. This opens inner thighs and groin, releasing tight pelvic floor. Tight muscles choke flow, this frees it. The rock boosts circulation, balances tension. Too tight? Quick finishes. Too loose? No hold, this finds middle. Like oiling hinges for smooth motion. A 70-year-old said it awakened sensitivity he thought gone. Hold 30 to 40 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Modify if needed. Pillows help. Over weeks, it feels natural, boosting orgasm intensity too. It's yin-yang, strength and release. Pair with others, it's complete. Have you tried stretches like this? Let me know. Unlocks the pelvis beautifully. To wrap up, these 5 moves, pelvic tilt, prone stretch, kneeling drawing, bridge abduction, and rocking frog, are your toolkit for stronger pelvic muscles, leading to firmer erections, better control, and bonus perks like bladder health and less tension. They're proven through practice, not overnight magic. But with 5 to 10 minutes daily, you'll see shifts in weeks, bigger in months. Track it. Stay patient. You deserve this vitality. It's Dr. Alex from A Healthy Body here, sharing these insights to help you thrive. If this resonated, subscribe for more on health, energy, and wellness. Open to all who want to feel alive. Like, comment, share with someone who needs it. Remember, consistency is key.